Big news for all BEL Probationary Engineer aspirants. Your wait is almost over. Bard Electronics Limited is all set to release the admit card for the Probationary Engineer exam on December 13th, 2025. If you've applied for the electronics, computer science, electrical, or mechanical streams, get ready to download your whole ticket. The computer-based test is scheduled for December 20th, 2025, across various centers in India. So let's get into the details. The admit card will be available exclusively online on the official website. BEL India. Remember, the exam city intimation slip was already sent out on December 6th via email and SMS. So you should already know your exam city. Now, it's time for the final hall ticket, which will have your exact exam center, date, and shift timing. To download your admit card on December 13th, head over to bel-india.in. Click on the Careers tab, then find the written test shortlist section. Look for the link that says Download Admit Card for Probationary Engineer CBT 2025. You'll need your registration number and password to log in. Once you're in, your admit card will appear as a PDF. Download it, save it, and most importantly, take at least 2 clear color printouts. A digital copy on your phone won't work at the exam center. What if you've forgotten your password? No worries. Just use the Forgot Password option on the login page. You'll need to enter your registered mobile number, and your password will be sent to you via SMS. It's that simple. Once you have your admit card, please check all the details carefully. Your name, date of birth, photo, signature, and exam center address should be correct. If you find any mistakes, don't panic. Immediately email the BEL help desk. Mention your full name, registration number, and include a screenshot of the error. Don't delay this process. Now, let's talk about the exam day. On December 20th, you must carry your printed admit card. Along with it, you'll need an original valid photo ID like an Aadhaar card, PAN card, or driver's license, plus a photocopy of the ID. Also, bring 2 recent passport-size photographs, the same ones you used for the application. You can carry a simple blue or black ballpoint pen and a transparent water bottle. What's not allowed? Pretty much all electronics. This means no mobile phones, smart watches, calculators, or any gadgets. Also, leave your bags, wallets, and any study materials outside. Follow the instructions given by the invigilators to have a smooth experience. Try to reach the exam center at least an hour before the reporting time mentioned on your admit card. This gives you plenty of time for security checks and to find your room without any last-minute stress. Let's quickly go over the exam pattern. The test will have 2 parts. Part 1 will have 100 questions from your technical subject. Part 2 will have 25 questions on general aptitude and reasoning. That's a total of 125 questions to be answered in 2 hours. And be careful, there is negative marking for every wrong answer. 0.25 marks will be deducted. So, manage your time wisely. Attempt the questions you're confident about first, and then move to the others. While you wait for the admit card, what should you do? Keep revising your core subjects and practice mock tests. Make sure you have your ID proofs and photos ready. Once the admit card is out, download it immediately. Check the details and locate your exam center on Google Maps. If it's far, plan your travel in advance. So, to recap, admit card releases on December 13th and the exam is on December 20th. Get everything organized, stay calm, and focus on your preparation. We wish you the very best for your BEL Probationary Engineer exam. For more updates, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.